Alright. So I already took out the screws. Oh, I'm tightening the shit up. Okay, wait a minute. Alright, so I took out these last two screws. I'm gonna pause. Alright, so now I've exposed the part, and it looks like it's a screw here, and it's a screw right here holding it on, and it's plugged up right here. So we're gonna try to disassemble this shit and get back right. Get back right. Some shit you gotta do yourself, my baby. Some shit you gotta do yourself. Alright? Alright, I gotta pop this last screw out right here. I hope y'all can see it. I'm not a good cameraman. I am a truck driver, not a mechanic. But some shit you gotta do yourself. I'll be right back. Alright. So I got the old part out. And it don't seem to be nothing wrong with it. All the wires seem to be good. My only issue is that, you know, the handle broke. So because that broke, I had to replace the whole piece. You see all the wires still good in there. So hey, all of the guts just fell out. Well, I guess it's bad now. I was gonna say I was gonna try to repair it or something, but fuck all that. Alright, so now we about to bolt up. I'm gonna bolt up the new piece, and it just bolts up right here. And then here go the male receptacle, and then the female receptacle, and I should be all good. Alright, in a minute. My shit working. Blah blah. Blah blah. Alright, got it all bolted up. Got it bolted back up. Let me see, hopefully y'all can see it. Got it bolted up right there. And I got it bolted up right there. And that motherfucker tight, ain't going nowhere. It's plugged in. Now we about to put the shield back together. And I ain't gonna lie, I lost the screw, but it fell down in there somewhere. So if I can find it, I'll find it. If not, then, you know, whatever. As long as I get it back tight.